All right, so we're taking a look at the new Android Auto. I've got
Rod Lopez, I'm a product manager working on Android Auto at Google, and this is the new Android Auto experience.
All right, looks great. Tell me what's going on here.
Yeah, so we have this new app launcher where you can see your Android Auto compatible apps. It's very easy to get to. You also have assistant actions like, hey, read me the weather without you having to say anything. It's pretty cool. We have this new widget down here, which basically allows you to control your media when you're in other screens. So if I'm in Maps, I can continue to pause my media, skip my podcast, answer a phone call, everything from down here. We also have a new notification center where you can see your messages, your missed phone calls. You can return the phone calls, play the message. So everything you would do on a notification shade on your phone, for example, you can do here. Now, one of the things you'll notice is it's all now themed with a dark theme using material design. It fits in a lot better with your car, and it's just so much more functionally beautiful.
So when we go to these apps, what are these top apps here?
So the top apps are basically your most frequently used apps. So in order for you not to have to scroll through the whole list when you want to get to your favorite media apps, your favorite navigation app, we put them at the top. So anything your last used apps will show up here in a very convenient manner.
So if I'm on Maps, I now see my Spotify down here.
Exactly.
Now there's also a new feature where it's going to start playing my music when I plug in.
Exactly. So we didn't show the plug-in process here, but when you plug it in, we'll drop you into Maps, which is the primary experience, obviously, and you'll get your media auto playing. So whatever you were playing when you last left the car, you'll get it here. And again, you can control it from here, tap and go, and you're ready to drive to work.
So it starts your music, which is very exciting,
Yep.
your podcast, whatever you're listening to,
Exactly.
and it also brings you into Maps
Yep.
immediately. You always have this, you've got your audio down here, the
assistant,
assistant, so you can do that. And then these are basically assistant
Yeah.
shortcuts.
So if you want to try one, like the easier one to try is the weather. So hey, I want to get the weather going on a soccer match.
View at 68 and partly cloudy.
And is that pulling your current location?
That's pulling your current location, exactly. And you can pull your calendar, you can add a reminder for yourself.
And then you've got your phone. Anything
Exactly.
different with this?
So it's basically the theme. So we have new fonts, new look. You can see it better in the media apps, for example, where you can see the new content layout, which is much more, content forward, very easy for driving. And also, again, using the darker theme, very cool looking.
Any tricks, any little Easter eggs built in?
We have a few that I'm not going to talk about. No, but for example, here we have a settings icon here. If I tap on settings here, it'll open settings on your phone if you're part, and you can tweak things like, for example, autoplay, right? So do you want that to be on or off? So it's, again, very easy to use. The main focus for us was making it very familiar to phone users so that you can transition into Android Auto very easily without learning a new environment.
Thanks.
Yeah, absolutely.